Homes are coming to the market as contract activity remains consistent and demand is moderate for the area. It's Friday, May 27, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. It's commissioning day for the United States Naval Academy. There are 113 homes for sale in all Annapolis zip codes. There are 29 homes coming soon, a drop from the prior week's increase. 26 homes came to the market since last week, also down by nearly half last week's new listings. 23 homes went under contract, reflecting a rise in contract activity. 23 homes are temporarily off the market. 25 homes went pending, on par. 31 homes sold, reflecting 5 days at 104.5% list to sale ratio. The highest sale of the last week was in West Annapolis for $1.6 million. Rental inventory fell to 15 properties at $2,800 median dollars per month. Are you thinking about moving? Reach out to us to make it happen and be sure to get our home buyers or home seller guides. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report for May 27, 2022. Thank you for tuning in. Until next week, take care.